Hello guys, this is House Socials and today I'm going to show you a guide on how to create a Bitcoin wallet. So, what you want to do is go over on btcdirect.eu or .com or whatever wherever you are, just BTC Direct. And once you're here, we are going to register in order to create a wallet. Now it's going to ask for my email right here. As you can see on Trustpilot, it has a score of 4.6, which is pretty good. So this site is trustworthy. Once I've entered my email, it's going to send me a verification email, which I'm going to go over right now and be right back with you. Once I confirm my email, I need to fill up some information like my nationality, first name, last name, password. I'm going to do that and skip to the next step. Now is asking for my phone number. I'm going to enter my phone number and be right back with you. Now it will ask for some type of verification like a driver's license, ID card or passport. I'm going to choose ID card and it's going to ask for a photo of my ID card. I'm not going to enter it right now, but once you've done that, it's going to ask for your source of income and you should be all done. Your account should be created and you can now use BTC Direct as a Bitcoin wallet for you. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, guys. See you in the next video. Cheers.